Okay, down on me.
Hello everyone, my name is Octaviana Anggraini, a student from class 12 TKJ 2. In this video, I'm going to explain the procedure for crimping a LAN cable. First thing first, we need some tools. Right here, I have my UTP cable. The cables used are either UTP Cat5 or Cat6E. Some RG45 connectors, a crimping tool, and of course, LAN tester to check our work later. Okay, let's start by stripping the outer jacket of the cable. Just give it a little twist with your stripper, but be careful. You don't want to nick the wires inside. Now, you all see these twice pairs. Let's untwist them and straighten them out. See, they are easier to arrange. Straighten the wire slowly, just like shown in the video. Now, for the most important part, the color sequence, we're going with the T568B standard. It goes white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, and finally white brown, brown. Make sure they're in the right order or it won't work. Once they're lined up, trim them evenly. You want them nice and straight before they go into the plug. Now slide them into the RJ45 connector. Give it a good push until you see the copper ends hitting the top of the plastic. Grab your crimping tool, put the connector in, and give it a firm squeeze. Now, do the exact same thing for the other end of the cable. Last step, let's put into the LAN tester. If all the light from 1 to 8 blink in order, like this, yes, perfect, we did it.